Hello everyone, myself Mitesh Savalya from Praveen Patil Polytechnic. I am the lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. So this is the last topic of the chapter, that is electromagnetic induction. That is last topic of unit number 5. And in the previous videos we have learned about, in the first video we have learned about Faraday's law and types of induced EMF. In the second video we have learned about Lenz's law and Fleming's right hand rule. And just in the previous video, that is in the third video, we have learned about the types of inductor, types of connection of inductor. So how many ways inductors can be connected? That is series connected inductor we have learned. We have derived the total inductor formula when it is connected in series in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn about the types of inductor, how many types of inductors are available in the market. So this we are going to learn in this video. There are total 3 types of inductors available in the market. First is air core inductor, iron core inductor and ferrite core inductor. These 3 types of inductors are available in the market. First is air core inductor, iron core inductor and ferrite core inductor. These 3 types of inductors are available in the market. First we will learn about air core inductors. Simplest form of air core inductor consists of coil wound on either ceramic or plastic former. That means to form the inductor, to construct the inductor, we will have a base of ceramic or a plastic former, and around this base we will turn a conductor to form the inductor. So wire is wound around this base that is made up of ceramic or of plastic former. Because of the absence of high permeability core, the size of the air core inductor is relatively large. So as the permeability of the core of ceramic and plastic is less, so to construct the air core inductor, the size of inductor gets increased. So because of absence of high permeability core, the size of the air core inductor is relatively large and its inductance is small as compared to that of iron core or a ferrite core. So though as the permeability is less, so the value of inductor will also be less as compared to iron and ferrite core inductor. So the application of these inductors are suitable for high frequency application devices where the operating frequency is very much high. At this place, this type of inductor, that is air core inductors, are used. So this was about the air core inductor. Now we will see the iron core inductor. A ferromagnetic material like iron, nickel, cobalt and many of their alloy are used for the core of the inductor. To increase its inductance, that means to increase its value. So here to form a base we are using a material like iron, nickel, cobalt and their alloys. So this, with the help of these alloys, we can increase the value of inductor. We can increase the value of inductance. To avoid the DC saturation of the core, an air gap is sometimes provided in the core. So to avoid the saturation condition, sometimes air gap is provided in this type of inductor. Application of this type of inductor are used for low frequency application where the operating frequency is low at that in that devices ion core inductors are used, such as the low application devices like filters, chokes, amplifiers, and many other DC applications. So mostly in the DC application this type of inductor is used, that is ion core inductor. Now we will move to the last type of inductor, that is ferrite core inductor. These inductors are uses the ferrite as a base, as a core material. Ferrite forms an important class of magnetic material with a high permeability and low losses used at a high frequencies. That means if the ferrite material is used at a very high frequency, it will provide a high permeability as well as less losses for the high permeability applications. So the ferrite core gives a highest value of inductor because it have a very high permeability. Ferrite core have made possible miniaturized inductor transformer for many high frequencies applications. So to reduce the size of inductor and to make high frequency application transformer, a ferrite core inductors are used. So this was all about the types of inductors. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message me. Thank you.